Hard to find, 3-bedroom condo that is affordable. This unit has updated flooring, all carpeting is gone, replacement windows, a new sliding glass door has been ordered and paid for, including installation. Many more updates throughout the home. The HOA includes an in-ground swimming pool, tennis court, basketball court and a party room in Building K. There is a workout room in the basement of Buidling K. There is a workout room in the basement of Building G on the east side. The monthly maintenance fee is $380 per month and includes water, sewer, trash, exterior maintenance of the building, master insurance policy for the building, snow removal, groundskeeping and basic cable, until May 29, 2022. After this date the condo has decided to end its current contract with Spectrum. The complex does have some additional storage lockers, but they are on a first-come first-use basis. Easy access to Bardstown Road or I-264.